pressing the button. It's just...
All right, Jason, I haven't been paying attention to the forecast this week. So when I got up this morning, looked out the window, I was quite surprised to see some snow.
And,
very festive.
You know, Halloween just happened. We're 2 weeks from Thanksgiving. It's a little early for southern Maine, but this is Maine, so you expect anything around here. How about taking a look at what the sky is going to be tomorrow in Bangor? And there are going to be some clouds and some sun. Clouds to sun, I'm going to call it. 47 degrees. Warmer than today. We'll get out of the 30s for sure. Not quite to 50, but you will see a little blue sky. Right now, the snow is up here in the crown of Maine, but really that's about it. You're starting to see clouds come into southern Maine. That's going to be the theme to start the day for tomorrow as those clouds increase from the south. So here on the hour-by-hour forecast, Friday morning for a wake-up time, you have clouds here, Boundary Plateau, those are popping up, and then also here in southern Maine too. 30s, 40s, yeah, you'd expect that. Now, middle of the day, a lot in the way of cloud cover. But by later in the afternoon, I mean just before sunset, we're going to have the sky clear out outside of the mountains. But watch out for snow showers, even snow squalls up around the Boundary Plateau. That will be a thing in the western mountains tomorrow. So got to watch out. Snow shower or a snow squall, all of a sudden take the visibility down to about a half mile or less. And that continues up here in Berlin, New Hampshire, so in Coos County. So tomorrow there will be on and off snow showers and squalls away from the coast. But these are hyper-localized, so the numbers are going to be zeros, okay? I mean, you're seeing some blue pop up, but overall it's not going to be a lot of snow from a snow shower or squall. Cold front comes through during the day Friday, so behind that front is where we're going to see this cold air from a big area of high pressure drain in from the west and the north to start your Saturday. So big high pressure this time of the year, and that spot, that's a Canadian high. That means it's going to be a cold one this weekend. Nowhere close to the typical high around 50. Speaking of 50, 52 for a water temp, small craft advisory. Yes, the ocean temperature this time of the year is typically warmer than the air, or at least around that. As we get into Friday, here we go. Mountain snow, some sun late, sunny and cold for Veterans Day. Remember, Veterans Day is observed tomorrow, and then Saturday is the actual Veterans Day. Sunday, it's dry and cold, really both days for the weekend. And then as we get into next week, there are a few showers or flurries, nothing significant. I don't think it's going to stick with temperatures in the 40s. And then as we get into the following week at the coast, same thing. Not a lot of precipitation, certainly not as much as we got today, even though that wasn't a lot. But at the end of that, I can tell you by the middle and latter part of next week, you're going to see 50s back on the board. So if you want to join the social media discussion, I asked at 6 o'clock, Brian and Amanda, anyone on the desk has any complaints about 50s for the middle part of November? I got no one to raise their hand. Do we have any tonight?
No.
I didn't think so after a day where we were stuck in the 30s. Right.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, Jason.
Yeah.